So, I'm gonna do a market review. Um, on the whole week, I guess. I wasn't really into the market this week, and I was a little bit annoyed with the fact that the market was closed on Thursday, and that Biden could just, do that, which, he created a national holiday or a national day of mourning for Jimmy Carter. But I was here on Tuesday and Wednesday, and Thursday we had nothing, so I missed Monday and Friday. If we go to Monday at 9:30, yeah, I remember this, but I don't know why it feels like so long ago. What was I doing Monday morning? I don't even remember. Anyways, oh yeah, we had that short back into these relative equal lows, but into that regular trading hours. I don't know how that. I think this. Oh yeah, that's like the regular trading hours. I'm gonna take that off though. Tuesday we had. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. This is a good week. Tuesday we had a perfect short in the AM session. The reason why Monday. What the heck just happened? Um, the reason why Monday was not that good in the AM was because the opening gap was legit 200 and 50 points. So then it just did this, went to the middle here. While ES went into the new week opening gap. I think I did a review on this. Hits the weekly, we're in between there. Great point of rejection. Breaker or order block right here on the higher time frame. Rejects it, goes lower, uses it as inversion, and finally drops lower into the first quadrant here. You see there. And the next day we dropped down to 50%, 75, and 0%. New week opening gap, 50% of range. We hit all that. Then Wednesday comes. Small regular trading hours gap. Very sloppy session in the morning. Why? Because it's before FOMC. People are getting rid of their orders. Every lower low, they're taking off their positions again. And then also what I did see was this, which I liked a lot. Honestly, I'm going to do different colors. Whatever. So the low on Wednesday was that closing of the new week opening gap, or of regular trading hours gap from from last Friday. So that was pretty cool. Then we had a big today. I didn't really look into this, but let's look into it now, shall we? Let's look at the regular trading hours gap. And first presented fair value gap looks like it's right here. Um, let's see it for ES. Same thing. Chart looks very oh my gosh. 70-point candle. Oh my goodness. This is outrageous. Yeah, so today I saw a little bit earlier. I was looked on my phone, but I just saw that, if you look at the 15-minute chart, pretty clear. And yesterday, okay, so we have relative equal lows here. Zoom out some more and take off the drawings. Okay. I guess we'll put the drawings back on. I'm going to take this off. This is fine. Let's see, what is this? Weekly. These two constant measurements. I guess I'll leave those. What else we got? Put that on there. And I guess you can see where we ended there, but if you're not picking bottoms here and here for NQ, here and here for ES, and I guess you can outline this gap right here, fair value gap right there. Honestly, pretty curious how it reacted to these two constant encroachments as well. So basically anything on a daily 4-hour chart, I'll have on my chart. And how we ended the week, pretty darn red. Maximum for next week is definitely here. Do not want to see it go above here. For ES, I'd probably say these two dailies. Maximum, reversal. It does look very bearish though, I cannot lie. 3-month as well. Does not look promising. But it's just a potential order block forming. But we could see some more blood where over here for ES. These darn good looking relative equal lows. With this as well for NQ and a nice looking unfilled inefficiency right here. And these as well, we'll see if we even get there. There is an unfilled gap that remains right here. And monthly, we have this, I guess, bullish order block, if you will. We also have this right here, which is a very good point to end the week. There's a lot of references. Yeah, so basically for next week, you do not want to see ES going above these black lines at all. And for next week, we could potentially see us going down in here, and here. Ultimately, below these lows and these inefficiencies after that, we'll see. But there, it's only less than 100 points. 400 points, 500 points for ES, NQ, whatever. So let's go into today's price action, shall we? 4-hour. I'm gonna take that off and this off for sure. But Wednesday, oh yes, I recall. We had a big new day opening gap here. And Look, I don't think it hits it, but almost. It's that consequent encroachment there. Uh, okay. Pretty straightforward, honestly. So, this is what I see. Ever since the formation of this, bodies have not closed above it. Once they've closed below, look, comes back, then 7 a.m. takes up all liquidities, 1, 2, 3, 4 highs, comes back in here one more time. ES does the same thing, takes out these 2, 3 highs, gets ready for 8:30 news. 8:30 news drops us down incredibly. 9:30, we come back where? Into the 50% of this drop, not quite 50% of there. Then you see retracement, and then you have multiple targets. So you see a meandered where uh the target was hit Tuesday, Wednesday, below these lows, came back, consolidated, took out all the highs, dropped down 8:30, brings us down, come back, breaker right here, breaker right there, comes back to this right here. Perfect. 1 minute. Let me show you. 8:30 drops down. Okay, we come back above this candlestick's high to here. 9:30 comes out. We take out the high and immediately start dropping again. Okay. Um, Immediately start dropping again. First presented fair value gap comes back down. Doesn't quite get there after taking relative equal lows. And there it comes back once more to fill it perfectly. 70-point candle. Boom. SMT there. You can short it. SMT here. Boom. Goes back down to all targets. Quickly comes up. You can short this again because that's beautiful. It's quick. It's quick. If you miss this, you can get into here. Right there. Perfect. And then comes back down to here. ES takes out the low, but NQ doesn't. And now we have beautiful relative equal lows for next week with some SMTs that came. And we have some SMTs here. How it looks on the 15-minute order block. 9:30 gap. But the bodies stay below here. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful. And then ES only reaches in here. When you see that happening and you missed everything, you could actually get that. That's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Comes back. Okay, you can wait for ES to take it out, SMT to form. Then come back higher. Let me show you on the 5-minute how beautiful it looks. Body stop. That's exactly what you want to see. If you miss that completely, you can enter when it comes back in here, right there. And that is just this right there. But you have to be quick. And then, like I said, makes that SMT come back higher. Very, very moving day. 4 hour. Not quite sure that we're gonna come into this inefficiency, but it's very possible that we will. 1 hour, yeah. There's this inefficiency here on both. And yeah, that is my line in sand. If it were to, it would, go to the top here, then drop lower. Same with ES, go into here, then drop lower. But yeah, we shall see. Clearly bearish as of now, with, these relative equal lows could not be more clear. Let me take that off. And as of now, yeah, we're just gonna keep to that. And yeah, it's pretty much it for this market review. Here's what I can do. Or yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.